for the conversion or you for combining files into a single PDF. So I will tell you how can you arrange your documents in a sequence and how can you make a single PDF file. So let's start. For example, these are my course file. These are the documents of my course file in the university level. So what I have to do first, what I have done, I have copied all the documents in the single folder. Then what I have done, I have given its numbering. For example, this is number one, two, and you can see all the documents are in the sequence. But somewhere what happened, I forgot to put the file and but I have given the numbering, so I did not disturb the sequencing. So what I have done, for example, I have given the separators like 2A and then 3A. So the sequence will not be changed, so sequence will not be disturbed. So you can see there are around, you can see there are 15, three number of files, but actually there are 71 files in this folder. So what I have to do over here, I have to select all the files, but keep it in mind, you have Nitro in your system installed. It should be installed in your system. Otherwise, you will not be able to do that. Obviously, you know it. So what you have to do first of all, you have to click on the Control A from the keyboard and your files will get selected all. For example, I will click over here and I will click on the Control A. Then when I Control plus A, click on the Control plus A, or you can say press Control plus A. So your all the files will get selected. When it is get selected, so what you have to do, you have to go on the first file. Keep it in mind. You should not go on the third file, fourth file, fifth file. You should not click anywhere. You should have to click on the first file and right click on it. And when you right click on it, so what you have to do, you have to go not to go into the convert to PDF with Nitro Pro. No, you have to go combine files with Nitro Pro. So you have to click on this. When you click on it, let me see whether it is coming. It is sharing with this window is sharing with you or not. So it is sharing with you. So I have to click on the top file, right click on it, and I have to go into the combined files with Nitro Pro. When I click on it, so what will happen? Let's see, and let's see whether it is going to share with you or not. So let me show you. Now it must be sharing with you. Now all my files are in the sequence here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see my all files are in sequence. If there is any file which is not in sequence, so you can move right and left and you can delete it if you find any file that is not completed or that is not in the sequence, or you find it is it extra. So what you have to do next, you have to click on the create tab, but before clicking on it, I will tell you. Here you can see number of files 71, number of pages are 180. So I have to click on the create, and you must either use the combine files dialog to convert and combine a collection of different files into the one published polished PDF document. So you have to click on the create, and it will take time, but it will not take much time. So now the window appears to you. Let me show you again. This window appears to you, and what you have to do, wherever you want to save your file and whatever its name, when you file get when you merge all the files in a single PDF document, so what it should be named. So I am putting its name, that course file engineering mechanics, course file engineering mechanics. It is of fall 2020. So I am putting its name, and I want to save it on my desktop, so it will be easier to move wherever I want it. So let me save it and in the form of PDF. And now the conversion started. And let me check it out. The screen is sharing with you and it is started to convert. What is happening over here? Actually, I was having different file types. For example, I was having Word, I was having PowerPoint uh, file, I was having JPG images, and I have PDF, and I have Acrobat Reader. So first it will convert by all the files one by one into the PDF, and then it will make it a single file. So you can see in this video and in this conversion, you can see It is converting each and every file one by one into the PDF format first. So you can see creating PDF, and it is saying is pooling data, and every file it is visible to all of you. Look here that it is coming over here, that it is converting right now this one. And now one more thing I will want to show you. Now it is when it completed conversion, so it will mark tick on it. So the system is doing this work by itself. So this is very good software, and it will be very helpful for you, but because it will take only hardly 5 to 10 minutes to convert it, so it's a very helpful software. And the quality of your files is very good in it. So you will try it and you will find it very useful. So actually I have used it, and I have made my file converted into a single PDF format. So I find it very good. So that's why I want to show you all of you that how can you use this Nitro software to convert your all the files into the PDF format. And I want to show you each and every step of conversion in front of this video. So it will be helpful for you. How can you do that? You will not get worried that whether how much time it will take it. So in this way you will be aware of the timing and what how much time will it take it. And my lecture is taking much time because it is in the PowerPoint format, and I have done animation in that lecture as well, so that's why it is taking time. And I have also used GIF picture also, and I have then transition as well in the video in the PowerPoint lecture, so it is taking more time. So it is better you can put your lecture into the PDF format, so it will take less time. So it will be converted earlier as compared to my conversion of file. So it's for the next time I will be careful when I will be converting my all the files into the single PDF format. So it will be very helpful for me and you also, and you will find it if you will find it useful, so pray for me as well. So whether it is still converting, let's see how much time it will take it. It is converting. Actually my last file is taking time because it's a handout, it's my PowerPoint lecture. It is not in the format of PDF, and it is still converting. So it will not take much time. Now it's done. It will combine all the files. Look how hastily it is doing it. It's going very fast. So now it's done. Let me show my course file in front of me. Let me show you. So you can see this is the conversion of my course file, and my course file is in front of you, and you can see the quality of file is very good. So it is very easy or handy to share with anyone, but the file size is large because there are lots of pages in it now, so it will take time to share with it. So you can share this file with in the OneDrive format as well, but I have shared this file in the PD on WhatsApp as well, so it didn't take so much time. So it will be easier for you. You can see my all lecture, all the documents of course file are here, are all in the sequence. You can find it. It's hardly take 5 to 10 minutes. So it depends upon the speed as well, and number of pages as well. There are so many pages I have because I have copies in it as well. So there were around 30 to 40 pages also of the students. So checked copies. Now you can see my lectures over here. There, this is my lecture. So now it's very good. The quality of file is very good, and I want to show my desktop as well where my file is saved. Let me show you. First of all, let me close my window, and then I am going to open this window. So it's closed. Okay, screen sharing is stopped. So let me show screen sharing or my desktop. So what will happen now? I want to show you my it. Again saying your screen is stopped. So what I want to share my desktop. And this is my desktop, and you can see over here, this is the name which I have given to my course file, that is course file engineering mechanics, and I want to open it. So let me share with you. This is my course file. I have opened on my desktop, and you can see this is my course file. It is done. So hopefully it will be clear to all of you and you will find it useful. And if you will find it useful, so must subscribe my channel and click on the bell button for the more notification. And I always try new things and I always share with you whenever I find it useful for you. So I will share with you also. So let's go. Bye bye. Thank you so much.